Today we celebrate the man we know, whose love has helped our family grow. With gentle hands and a faithful heart, you've been our guide right from the start.
Through every storm, through every tear, you've always stood so strong and near.
Happy Father's Day, we sing with love. You're a blessing sent from heaven above. Thank you for your sacrifice each day, for showing us the better way.
May God bless you with joy and peace.
May His endless favor never cease. Happy Father's Day, we proudly say. We love you more every single day.
Your wisdom shines like morning light, giving us hope through every fight. Your strength and kindness lead us on. A father's love is never gone.
May your dreams be filled with grace. May God's love always light your way. We'll honor you forevermore, today and every day. Happy Father's Day, our hero true.